Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. We've been gone a while. We're a mother and daughter duo that likes playing in hair and makeup.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind.
Él no va a hacer nada. Si lo pillo por la calle dice, si lo pillo por la disco dice, si lo pillo por el área dice, si lo pillo.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
As you can see, this video is all about Valentine's.
My focus been drifting.
Did you miss me? Or I'm done.
And we're doing a cute little look. It's got a cut crease that we're trying for the first time. And of course, she's got to moisturize her face. Maintain that beautiful skin tone. She's putting on primer by Maybelline. Evening out those pores. Here we go with the long saga of the eyebrows. I know you've missed us this past month. We took a little break, and it's about to be our anniversary. Our 1-year anniversary. Filling in those eyebrows where they seem to be a little sparse. We're putting in our contour. She uses a darker color up top and a lighter color beneath the brow. Hope you like this video. Blending out the contour of her eyebrows. Putting contour on her eyelids so that her eyeshadow be poppin'. Back to the eyebrows again. Blending out the contour. And she's using powder to set the contour. And we're using an eyeshadow palette from UCANBE. All makeup products are listed down below in the description box. This is like a plum color. Maybe a raspberry. I think it's more raspberry. I think it's such a beautiful color. She's blending it out. And she's going back over with some contour so she can put another eyeshadow color over the raspberry. We're using a glitter red. It's Valentine's Day. Gotta have some red in there. Using a little gold. And did you subscribe yet? It helps with the algorithm, so they say. Patting in that gold so that you can notice it. See? And using that same raspberry color in the waterline. And we're using an eyeliner in white to give her a, what she called a cut crease. Oops, slipped a little bit. We're trying something new here. Well, we're done with the eyes. The eyelashes are on. And so is the eyeliner. Time for some foundation. Gotta blend that in to even out her skin tone. And that's a darker contour for some bronzing techniques. And contouring her nose.
No saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right.
Now we're highlighting in her T-zone and in what's called the Cupid's bow. And the usual spots under her eye. Blending it all out. Hope you like it so far. Press the thumbs up button for us. Putting a little blush on those cheeks. And a little highlight on the tip of her nose, her cheekbone, and her temple. And I believe, yep, she does it on that Cupid's bow. And we're doing liquid lipstick. We're outlining our lips in a chocolate brown. Now this is more of a brick red. And just as a reminder, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of every time we put up a new video. Here comes our final look. Popped on some red hair for the Valentine's look. And there's the close-up of the eye. Giving you that 1940s look.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.
Thanks for watching.